I chose the Academy of Culinary Arts because for a time I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do. I was in general studies at the time, and then I just had this bold ambition to start working in the culinary field. So I decided to work in restaurants, and then I came here. I chose to be here at Atlantic Cape Community College.
The chef educators are very talented and very knowledgeable. They definitely have a lot of experience in what they're doing, and they're very good at teaching you what you need to know.
I chose Academy of Culinary Arts because it's still local to me. I heard a lot of great things about it. It's one of the best schools in New Jersey.
I did learn how to be faster and how to just make different things, because like with the French macarons, I did not know how to make those at all. I never made them before. I always seen them, and then like being able to actually make them the proper way it's nice. At my job, I'm fast enough, but like here, I get to be like even faster and get everything done quicker, and it's nice.
When you're working in a restaurant, it is very different, but it's like, you know, you're at work and you're doing all these things, but when it's a school setting and you're meeting all these new people all the time, we're doing the same exact thing, you feel like you're part of a team and you genuinely feel like, you know, you can really work together. And that's kind of one of the things that motivate me to keep coming here every day.
For me, it would have to be the experience of working in a kitchen with higher class chefs and learning from them and their experience.
The gala for me garners the opportunity to work with our local community to allow them to try our products. Just alone getting to serve these people that are closest to us all of our products and see their reactions brings me joy.
In this class that we're in right now, which is classical confections, we're doing like the chocolate pieces, the macarons and everything.
So I was spending a lot of money, like out of pocket every single month to make payments, and it was really hurting my bank account. And I got that $2,000 scholarship at the beginning of the semester, and that completely finished paying off the rest of my semester. And that really saved me.
So I received 2 scholarships from the restaurant gala 2 times, one last year and one this year in January. And I really want to say thank you, because it really helped with my tuition and also paid for my classes and other expenses that I needed as well.
The scholarship really helped me in my, I would say, current situation, because at the time I was working full-time at work and I was here full-time and doing all these things, and I was honestly stressing out about money, and I was working so much, working to 12 p.m., coming back here at 7. And when I received that scholarship, it took so much weight off of my shoulders, because I was able to really hone in on my craft and to really take that time that I need to excel as a student here at Atlantic Cape Community College.
Thank you for supporting the Academy of Culinary Arts.
Thank you for your support, and thank you for investing in my future.
So I just want to say thank you to all the donors and supporters that we have for granting us with scholarships and taking a weight load off of our shoulders and just supporting us.
Thank you for investing into my future.
Thank you so much for supporting the Academy of Culinary Arts. We appreciate any donations, and I am and we are grateful to be here. Thank you.